Bilang marami kang field, isa kang magician, mentalist ka, astrologer ka, tapos, mystic ka.
Mm.
Para sa'yo ba, um, ano nga ba ang meaning ng buhay natin dito sa mundo?
Oh, buhay ka agad, no? Well, dalawa yung sagot ko.
Sige.
For me, yung ako lang, para sa akin yung life has no inherent meaning. Para sa akin, life is meaningless. Life has no inherent meaning, but we give meaning to life. So sometimes it can be a waste of time to ask, what's the meaning of life if you are the answer?
Yeah.
So parang wala 'yon. Life is what you make it. Life has no meaning, but you make it meaningful.
Parang ano siya, no? Existentialist perspective.
May
no? Parang,
may pagka ganon.
Oo.
Although in one of my plant medicine journey,
Yeah. Oh.
nagkaroon din ako ng ganyang tanong.
Mm.
So I was talking to the divine,
Mm.
call it God, call it the one infinite creator. It was an ayahuasca.
Yeah.
Ayahuasca trip. I asked the divine, what is life?
Mm.
Pero hindi ko tinanong what is the meaning, what is the purpose. Tinanong ko lang what is life
What is
sa
life
perspective
lang,
niya.
Oo.
So I got an answer na ang sabi niya, Nomer, life is the expression of my sense of humor. Okay. So sabi niya, you think it's like a long joke that you think you know the punchline to, but you don't. So you keep on chasing it. You keep chasing the next joke. Parang ganun. So for him, life is not meant to be solved, but it's meant to be pursued. So yun yung nakuha ko. Kaya dalawa yung sagot ko.
Napakaganda nun. Ano yung isang sagot?
Hindi, yun
Ayun eh,
yung
okay.
una yung sa akin, yung
Yung life is
perspective
meaningless.
Walang meaning.
Okay.
Oo.
Okay, gets.
Tapos yung so from that perspective ng divine, yun. So para siyang joke yung ginamit niyang analogy sa akin. Tapos noong time na yun, throughout my journey, kumbaga naging gnosis ko na siya, GNOSIS.
Yes. Gnosis, okay.
Para sa mga hindi nakakaalam, syempre ikaw alam mo. Yung gnosis is your experiential relevance of knowing the divine.
Gets.
So, meaning to say, yung analogy niya ng joke, nagpa-pan out siya, nag-ano siya sa buhay ko, nakikita ko na parang, may mga joke, may plot twist.
Yun, totoo.
Minsan may maliliit siya na punchline, pero may malaking punchline pa pala.
Totoo yun.
So, ganun ko tinitignan yung buhay.
Isa rin sa perspective ko yan eh. Kasi parang, kung titignan nga natin yung buhay ng tao dito sa mundo, parang, pagka nag-focus ka dun sa mismong istorya ng bawat buhay, parang ang gaganda rin ng istorya ng tao. May yun nga, yung alon ng buhay eh. So parang parang imposibleng walang purpose si God na parang love lang. At gets ko, yung meaning na love talaga, I mean, yun talaga yung pinaka-importante sa buhay. Pero naano ko rin dati, parang may theory din ako na parang hindi kaya talaga for entertainment tayo ni God. Kasi parang ang epic ng buhay, parang ang gandang kung ako yung Diyos, tas inobserbahan ko yung creation ko. Parang enjoy siya, di ba? Parang ganun.
May isang philosopher na nagsabi, we took seriously what God made for fun.
Parang familiar nga ba? Sino nga ba? Hindi ba si Alan Watts yan? Ay, hindi ba?
Hindi yata si Alan Watts, but I heard from Robert Edward Grant.
Robert Edward Grant. Okay lang. Yun yung di ba? Yung polymath na.
Polymath,
No?
oo.
Gets.